Lordship, in item number 7,
Yes.
I have filed an affidavit in reply, my lord, that may be false.
Yes.
My pleasure, Lord. I beg to mention for listing of WPC 269/23. To be on Friday, Lord. The urgent matter.
What is the urgency?
Urgency, I'm in a contract basis job. This is the last month. So I'll be have to find a job because this is the last month of the
23
contract.
matter, what is the urgency?
No,
Sorry.
no, it is. I have filed in 8/12/2022, and I am in a contract basis.
When was it last listed?
Last is 13/3/2024, 13 March.
What
And
was the order passed?
order to file an affidavit of opposition by the respondent.
They have filed or not?
No, till now they have not filed it.
Not out of turn listing. Not a case for out of turn listing. We'll have it on Wednesday next.
Wednesday.
Yes.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I'm praying time for on behalf of Mr. A. Fukon. Lordship, he's
Item number
item number 30, lordship.
30.
Yes, lordship.
Lordship, I appear for the respondent number 780. That was dealing the
Okay. What do you want?
Lordship, he's having some personal difficulties, lordship. So, lordship, he was praying for 2 weeks time, lordship.
Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of 3 A. Fukan, learned counsel for the A. Fukan, learned counsel for the petitioners. List after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 48. Lordship, my senior is going to Delhi for some personal reason. And he matter may be adjourned for 2 days.
Is 1,000?
Lordship, interim is there, it may be continued, and Lordship, may I pray for fixing the matter next week, Lordship?
Next week, is it okay?
It's a transfer matter.
On a prayer made on behalf of 3 RM Das.
Yes.
Learned Standing Council, NHEDC, and NCHAC. NCHAC. List after a week. Yes.
Lordship, may I pray for a fixed date, Lord? It's a transfer matter.
24 matter. You're protected by an interim order.
Interim order, Lordship. But as per the last order, Lordship.
That malaria.
Yes,
Malaria.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Interim
Yep.
order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. List on 2 port likhiba, huh? Interim order. List on yes. Madam, when?
Next week,
Anything.
yes, lord.
Today is what? 14th. On 21st.
No.
21. That's what interim to
I'm obliged,
huh?
sir.
All obliged. Yes.
Lordship, there is an interim in item number 30.
Yes.
There is an interim, lordship.
Okay. I got it. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. 30.
May I please, with the concern of other side, lordship, I beg to mention item number 37 and 38. I'm praying 2 weeks time, my lord, to file affidavits and oppose.
You're for whom?
And for the respondent.
37, 38, and 39 are connected matter, my lord.
Okay.
And the affidavit has not yet filed. In terms of-
You appear for whom?
My lord, H. Gupta, Mr. H. Gupta.
H. Gupta. CGC. On a prayer made on behalf of the respondents. Matters are adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition.
Mile.
37, 38, 39.
Keep it.
May I please, your
Even 39, Mr. Gupta is not appearing. Mr. Goswami is appearing.
39.
39, you are not there.
He has not yet filed, my lord. I will inform.
Please inform because he is also he has not filed the affidavit.
Yes, my lord. I will inform.
please, your lord. I may pray for listing upon review petition upon 20.
Review of this court's order.
Yes.
What is the matter?
The matter relates to order was passed in connection with the compensation in that NH highway, your lordship. That in from Nagpur, Tipu, your lord. But due to the non-clearance of that, the department are not releasing the
How is the review? What is the review you are seeking? Okay, we'll have if it's an order of this court, we'll have it. When do you want?
20th, your lord. 20.
28th, Tuesday. We'll have it on 21st.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
I didn't want to.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes. IO for what?
My lord, posted respondent number 7, my lord, is the my lord new. Exactly.
Where is the order?
My lord, page 13, my lord, annexer 1, operative part, my lord, para 7 start and 17 is the my lord.
Seventeen, yes.
My lord, pension matter,
Pension.
my lord. Regarding the-
Okay. Part 3 M Islam Learned Council for the petitioner who has filed this petition alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated so-and-so, passed in so-and-so. The Learned Council has also referred to the representation to the respondents requesting for compliance, full stop. Issue notice now, para for it, 4 weeks. Steps registered, posted AD, 2 days.
Highly obliged, your lord.
Lordship, petitioner is deprived of her family pension. Your Lordship, her husband was getting his pension regularly, but he died on 3/12/2020, and thereafter, the family pension has not been granted to the petitioner despite her application
Yes.
submitted before the competent.
After receiving the instructions, only the death certificate has been furnished to the PPDCL bank. There's a proper application that has to be submitted to the relevant
Why
document.
didn't you apply properly?
Yes.
They
That is
have to process. You instruct your client to submit proper application in the formats.
In fact, they submitted the legal error certificate next.
No, whatever are the testimonials along with the format applications, you file it, you submit it, they'll do it. They're not opposing.
Yes.
Oh. Are you opposing on principle? No, not at all. We'll close this. We'll close
My
this.
lord, may that-
We'll close this. Heard. 3 D. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop, also heard. 3 B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, APDCL. Full stop. Considering the subject matter and also the fact that pursuant to the order dated 1/5/2024 of this court, comma, the Learned Standing Counsel has obtained written instructions, comma, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage. Full stop, para. The subject matter involved is a claim pertaining to family pension, para. It is projected that the husband of the petitioner, Kunja Bihari Singh, was serving with the APDCL, who had retired on 31/12/2000 and was getting the pension. Full stop. However, the husband passed away on 3/12/2022 and thereafter, comma, the family pension has not been paid to the petitioner. Full stop. 3 Bora, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that representations were furnished, representations were filed or submitted to the respondent authorities And the last representation is of 7/3/2024, even whereafter, comma, no steps have been taken for release of the family pension. Para. 3. B. Chaudhary, Learned, Standing Counsel, APDCL, on the other hand, by referring to the written instructions dated 25/4/2024, has contended that the petitioner has not submitted the proper application for release of the family pension. Full stop. He has also informed this court that apart from the death certificate, comma, no other documents have been submitted. Full stop. Para. Para. The Learned Standing Counsel, however, submits that it is only on account of non-furnishing /submitting of the required documents and the application in the proper format that the matter for release of family pension has been delayed. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, and considering the subject matter as indicated above relating to family pension, comma, the writ petition is disposed of by directing disposed of by directing the petitioner to submit the necessary documents and testimonials in support of her claim for family pension. Full stop. The application is also directed to be submitted in the proper format. Full stop. On submission of the aforesaid application and testimonials, comma, the matter is to be processed expeditiously as the death of the government servant was in December 2022. And in any case, is to be completed within, preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order, along with the other testimonials and application. Para. Writ petition accordingly stands disposed of. Para. Written instructions dated 25/4/2024 is made part of the record. It's a photocopy.
Support.
Okay.
Mark, keep it.
Not maybe for context.
1 and 6 are party? Yes. Okay. Okay. Upward level.
Government-
M. Bhattacharya. Additional senior 1 and 6. You are also appearing. Treasury officer. Our Project Finance Department. Standing Council Finance.
I didn't really.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this case, petitioner applied for the post of builder and clerk, my lord, pursuant to an advertisement dated October 2000.
Union of India.
My lord, he passed, my lord, physical efficiency test, my lord. Thereafter, written test also he passed, my lord. And thereafter, DME, my lord, he was called for DME detailed medical examination. Annexure 4, page 24, my lord. After appearing in the detailed medical examination, my lord, in the select list, my lord, his name was not there, my lord. He was surprised, my lord, because he did well. Thereafter, he, my lord, submitted one RTI application, Annexure 6, page 36, my lord, because he wanted to know his marks, my lord, but that was not replied, my lord. Thereafter, he filed another representation, Annexure 7, page 38, that was also not replied, my lord. Then Annexure 8, 9, everything he, my lord, filed, no reply was given, my lord. Surprisingly, my lord, kindly see Annexure 10, page 44, my lord. One Mr. Sunil, who has filed RTI application on the same day, that is on 2nd of August 2022, who also passed physical test, but written test and appeared in the DME. He was also not selected, my lord. As soon as he filed this application, my lord, Annexure 10, page 44, Annexure 11, my lord, he was given quickly, my lord, appointment.
But in my case, my lord, till then, my lord, I have filed ITI application, representation. I applied.
RTI, you have the remedy under the RTI Act. If it is not replied to, file an appeal.
My lord.
We cannot adjudicate those matters that you have not been replied to under RTI. You have a separate forum.
Then, my lord, representation also I filed, my lord, to the department. And this is, my lord,
Where is the representation?
representation, my lord, kindly see.
Appointment selection of 2022.
Yes, my lord.
You just cannot pick up one Sunil and
Annexure
cite his
7,
example.
Annexure 7, page 38, my lord. Kindly see representation. Annexure 8 also, 9 also. Because I did well, my lord, in all the tests.
No,
my lord.
every candidate will claim that he has done well.
I was.
Yet they are not selected. All cannot be selected.
Yes,
It's a
my lord.
matter of competition.
Yes, my
Your
lord.
assessment, you must have done the best, but there may be better candidates.
My
It's
lord.
a meeting. For RTI, we are not going to, but representation is there.
Notice,
At
my
least
lord.
try to get the information what
Yes.
marks this.
Notice, my lord.
Oh, hard miss. As Bora learned counsel for the petitioner, who was an aspirant for the post of Havildar within bracket clerk in the Assam Rifles. Full stop. It is submitted that a recruitment process was initiated in the year 2021-22. Why have you filed here? It was for Rajasthan. How is the commandant of Assam Rifles, Karbi Anglong, connected?
Because, my lord, interview place was there.
Where?
In this place, my lord, interview was there.
It was for Rajasthan.
Yes. Assam Rifle, my lord, for full notice.
No, no. You would be posted in Rajasthan.
Any place, my lord. Notice.
No, why have you stated that it was a recruitment meant for the state of Rajasthan?
My lord, for that state, my lord, separately vacancies were given, my lord.
Let us see the recruitment notice. At page 14,
Yes. 18 and 21.
page 18.
Second advertisement.
18, yes. 18 where?
My lord, petitioner house is from Rajasthan. That's all.
That's a different aspect. You have stated that the recruitment was for the state of Rajasthan.
My lord, for Rajasthan state, my lord, vacancies were given, my lord, separate 11.
Okay, equal to 21, 22. In which the petitioner claims to have participated and fared, F-A-R-E-D, well, full stop. However, in the final select list dated 30/7/2022, comma, his name was not there.
Yep.
Full stop. The petitioner had attempted to get the marks, cutoff marks, which
Yep.
was not, even by taking recourse to the RTI Act, wherein no response was received. Full stop. Para. Para na hai ke liye. The petitioner has also, no, representation. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3 SK Middle and CGC appears and accepts notice for on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies within 2 days.
I'll-
Yes, what is this?
Lordship, in this case, I am praying for pension, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, I was an ex-constable of CISF, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, if they have they dismissed me from service, Lordship. And after the dismissal, they have brought a memorandum of charges against me. And Lordship, without hearing me and without giving any opportunity to defend my case, they have dismissed me from service, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, I have preferred an appeal before the appellate authority, but Lordship, my appeal was rejected, Lordship. Yes, but there is a delay, Lordship, in this case. There is a delay is due to only
25 years, after around more than 25 years.
delay is due to Lordship, my medical illness, Lordship.
98.
Yes, Lordship.
After 98 years, 1998, you have come to the court in 2024.
Yes, Lordship. After dismissal, I had been suffering from Lordship, mental instability and Lordship, forgetfulness. Lordship,
Where,
have annexed on
let us see where.
page number 44, Lordship.
44.
Lordship, he makes his statement in paragraph 16 at page 3.
We'll just come to that. What is page 44?
On the medical certificate.
Depression.
Suffered from depression and mental instability with forgetfulness from many years. He
How
was-
many years?
After dismissal, Lordship,
How many years?
since Lordship 2000,
His only statement is at paragraph 16,
Paragraph?
16 at page 14.
my only limited prayer is that if my Lordship penalty should be altered to compulsory retirement, Lordship, then I will be eligible.
Come, have the limited prayer. You should come in time,
Yes,
not
sir.
after 25 years.
Yes, Lordship, due to Lordship, mental.
Sorry. Don't come to this court, read court like with petitions like this. The cause of action may be serious, but if you come after 25 years, we are not going to entertain. Hard. Sri, what is your name?
They had him real.
J. Hati Muria, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned Deputy AGI,
All that.
for all the respondents. Para. The petitioner was a constable in the CISF and in the year 1998, a disciplinary proceeding was initiated against him. Full stop. The said proceeding culminated in an order of 27/6/1998, by which the petitioner was dismissed from service. Full stop. The petitioner had preferred an appeal on 27/1998, which was also rejected by the appellate authority on 14/7/1999. Full stop. It is contended by the learned counsel that in the proceeding, no proper opportunity was granted to the petitioner. Full stop. He has contended that due to the impugned order of dismissal, the petitioner is deprived from pension under the rules holding the field. Full stop. It is also averred that after the dismissal, the petitioner had become mentally unfit and is now medically sound and therefore has approached this court. Full stop. Para. Per contra, Sri Chaudhary, the learned Deputy AGI, has submitted that even without entering into the merits of the dispute sought to be raised, there is no proper explanation at all as to the inordinate delay from the order of dismissal passed in the year 1998, full stop. It is submitted that apart from a bold BLD statement made in paragraph 16, along with a medical certificate of 28/4/2024, comma, there is no explanation at all, full stop, para. To the aforesaid aspect, to examine the aforesaid aspect of delay and laches, comma, this court has examined the averments made in paragraph 16 of the writ petition, full stop. For ready reference, comma, the statements made in paragraph 16 is extracted here in below, paragraph 16. Para. The aforesaid pleadings are in connection, are supported by a medical certificate issued on 28/4/2024, full stop. As per the said certificate, comma, the petitioner had suffered from depression and mental instability with forgetfulness for many years, full stop. Apart from the said contents, CONTNTS, comma, there is no details at all as regards the nature of the ailment, the period of treatment, etc. Full stop. Para. Though delay per se, though the provisions of the Limitation Act 1963 may not have an application in a writ proceeding, comma, the aspect of laches is one of the important factors which is required to be taken into consideration, more so when this court, under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, exercises equitable jurisdiction, full stop. In the instant case, comma, the delay is not only inordinate, but lacks any acceptable explanation, full stop. In that view of the matter, comma, this court is of the opinion that this petition is not liable to be entertained, and accordingly, the same is dismissed.
Item 5.
Yes.
Yes,
They have already passed the order. They have accepted it. Long time back in 3rd of February 2023. They may not have visited the office later after that. They have not followed up. A copy was given to him also. But
you take instructions, and we're closing this. Heard Sri P.A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri A. Kolita, Learned Standing Counsel, Industries and Commerce Department, full stop, para. On the last occasion, that is 7/8/2024, comma, the following order was passed, full stop, para. ওপৰত হেৰি লিখিবা, যে আৰ বৰপূজাৰী লিখিবা, ফাইনেন্স, para. Sri Kolita, the Learned Standing Counsel, has submitted that instructions have been received, as per which, comma, an order was passed on 3rd February 2023, accepting the date of superannuation of the petitioner as 31/1/2020 instead of 31/12/2019, full stop. In view of the aforesaid development, comma, this court is of the opinion that there is no existing cause of action to be espoused. Full stop. Writ petition is accordingly closed. Para. Copy of the order dated 3/2/2023 is kept with the records.
Yes, I have sent a copy to him.
Hello.
May I please- Lordship, the petitioner herein is an employee of the State Bank of India.
Hmm.
He's in the position of the Assistant General Manager, Internal Audit. In 2023, he was posted from Bhubaneswar to Guwahati in the audit office, in this audit office. While doing his work, he saw a lot of anomalies that were happening in the office, along with misuse of powers of respondent number 3. As a result, on 10th of December 2023, he lodged a whistleblower complaint to the respective office. In the complaint, he has stated that there has been manipulation of the bank's branch ratings by the respondent number 3. For example, the KYCs were approved, although those documents could not be verified online. In that manner, there was a lot of anomaly that was done. Pursuant to the whistleblower complaint, there was a lot of harassment made to the petitioner, and subsequently what happened, the petitioner was eligible for promotion, and one of the key criteria for the promotion was the completion of a
Training.
role-based mandatory e-learning course that has to be done by taking 2 days prior leave from the office. So the petitioner applied for the 2 days leave since firstly on the 1st day of January to 2024, and the last day of completion of the course was 31st of March. Till 28th
Madam,
of
how
March,
do you come to a writ court or with this
Because-
grievance? What kind of grievance?
my lord, his
You are-
grievance
you
is
are-
that he has been denied the leave, denied the
Denied
promotion.
2 days leave. Can we now antedate
Yes,
it?
he has lost
You-
his
you-
promotion.
You might get a compensation in an appropriate court.
No, my
2
lord.
days leave was not granted to you, lose your
Yes.
opportunity of promotion.
Yes,
Now
my
what can be done? Can we get back the leave? We cannot antedate. What has happened has happened. You can get compensation, approach the appropriate court.
We have approached the appropriate, we have given several representations. my lord.
Representation, no, we approach the appropriate court. They'll not
Well-
give you compensation. Civil court will grant you compensation. If you can make out a case that some wrong has been done upon you,
My lord, this is an appropriate court for that.
for compensation,
So not
we'll
just
assess compensation.
Not just compensation, our grievances against the promotion opportunity that he has missed. He's close to his superannuation. This was the.
Now, can we direct to give you the promotion?
My lord, the entire.
See,
thing
you know
has happened.
the law. We assume that you know the law. You are at best entitled for a consideration. You cannot direct promotion.
My lord, my prayer is
And his
that only.
principal prayer is that you have been harassed. You have not been granted 2 days training holiday, leading to your loss of opportunity of promotion. You approach the civil court, get everything. And you are asking for a stay of a circular of 2023, July.
Not stay, my lord.
Then what is
We-
this? Keep stay, suspend. Is there any other meaning?
Regards to the results, my lord.
Yes.
Only with regards to the
Please read,
results of
please read.
2020.
If you have not understood properly, please read. We may not understand. At page 22, pending disposal of the writ petition may kindly stay, suspend the results of so-and-so of 2023.
Only
More
with
than a
re-
year, and you want a stay of a.
My lord, the circular came out in 23. The examination was, the 2 days training leave was supposed to happen till 31st of March 2024.
Now we are in August. It's gone. How is the writ maintainable? We are not saying that you are
Madam,
remediless. You have remedy, but not here.
State Bank of India comes under the
It
definition of.
is
state.
not a matter of state. It is a matter of state.
But
We are
my-
not on Article 12.
But my lord, where is the petitioner supposed to go?
Why should we advise you? Are we an advisory
my lord-
authority? You know, You are the
complaint has been
counsel.
committed to him, my lord.
The petitioner has come to you, not to the court,
My
to seek
lord,
advice.
It's been committed to the
Go to
petitioner
the
by
appropriate
employer.
court. If they have done a wrong, it may be a tort, you seek compensation. Not this court. This kind of relief we cannot be, will not be able to grant you. You'll be losing your time. Not this court. What is your name? Name, madam?
As that, my lord.
Heard Miss Asdas, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the aspect of denial of promotion. Full stop. The petitioner has also made certain allegations against the respondent number 3, who has been made party by name. Full stop. Whether the relief sought for can be entertained by a writ court is a matter of, would it be a debatable issue? Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with ED. Steps within 2 days. The issue of maintainability of the reciprocation of this writ petition is, however, kept open.
My lord.
Item 7.
Please, your lordship.
Yes,
Sir, it's relating to pension, lordship.
pension.
Pension, lordship.
What happened?
I joined as a research assistant under Evaluation and Monitoring Department, Dismissal, Guwahati on 13/12/2018. Lordship, on 7/4/22, a promotion order was released by the respondent number 1. So, page number 14, Lord.
Yes.
To Hitesh Chandra Sharma. I was promoted to APO from research assistant to assistant planning officer. Lord.
Hmm.
But I could not join in the district of Dhupuri because
You
I
are
was-
getting pension in the lower post.
Lordship,
Are you getting pension in the lower post?
no, Lordship,
No pension at all.
no. I have even not received the provisional pension.
Yes, sir. Madam, you take instructions, pension matters. Will issue, sir.
Lordship, actually, the petitioner was released to join on some other post, Lordship. He did not join, Lordship. He preferred a representation. Subsequently, there was disciplinary proceedings was also
There was?
Yes, Lordship.
What happened thereafter?
Yes, this is there, Lordship.
Last page, Lord.
Page 38, Lordship. The order has been passed.
What penalty?
Penalty, Lordship, the next page.
Half of the.
Page 39, Lordship. Now, therefore, considering all aspects, the Governor of Assam is pleased to impose the following penalties. Half of the pension amount admissible so and so shall be withheld for 1 year with effect from the month of August 2023. Salary already drawn by Hitesh Chandra Sharma for the period July 22 to October 22 shall be recovered from the pension. The period from July 22 till July 23 shall be treated as extraordinary leave without pay, and allowances and will be counted only for pension purpose as per Rule 14.5 of the Leave Rules and FR 85C. The disciplinary proceedings drawn against so and so is hereby disposed of. While he was in
Lordship,
service, he
kindly
didn't do
see-
anything,
Mr.
Lord.
Page
What is your,
31,
what is your name, Mr. Counsel?
DC Bora.
Mr. Bora, unless you challenge that order,
Yes, I am challenging. that.
where? Where is the challenge? Come to the relief at page 11 and 12.
15, Lordship. 15,
Page?
16.
Page. Come to the
Page
relief.
9.
Come to the relief. What have you prayed for?
I prayed for regularization of period of the petitioner with effect from July 22 to July 23, Lord.
Mr. Bora, unless you challenge the order and that order is set aside by a court, how do you get an order of relief of this nature? You challenge that order.
Lordship, kindly see page 31, Lordship.
Page 31.
31, Lord.
31, yes.
Page 31. Findings, Lordship.
Yes.
Finding. In the
In the statement furnished by the Shri Hitesh Chandra Sharma on 13/10/23,
Mr. Bora, if you are going to the merits of the penalty, you have to challenge it. Challenge this order. Get it set aside by the court. You get everything. If this order stands, how will you get your pension? What you are claiming now? Don't delay, challenge this order. It is of which date? 8/1/2024. If this order is bad in law,
yes,
you have to
that,
challenge it.
I have stated it, Lordship.
Mr. Bora, not like this. You take advice from your seniors. Stating is not due. You have to state if the relief should be specific,
Yes, Lord.
that this challenge has been made to the order
Well,
of.
this is just allow me provisional pension. I will file additional affidavit.
My God, if you do not understand, how will the court explain? You withdraw this, file a proper petition, challenge the order. The pension will be a consequential thing. You see the prayer. What is your prayer in this writ petition?
Yes, Lord.
Making a statement will not do. You must have, you might have made statement, but it ultimately will go by the relief. You are praying for provisional pension, regular pension, everything you will get if the order is set aside. Challenge it. Heard Sri G.C. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard Ms. M. Bhattacharya, learned additional and senior government advocate, Assam. Full stop. Do the relief sought for in this petition pertains to a claim for payment of pension, comma, it appears that there was a disciplinary proceeding which had culminated in an order of penalty dated
Lordship 26/4/24.
26/4/2024, and the subsequent action regarding pension is only a consequence of the said order. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel accordingly. Oh, no, para. It however appears that the aforesaid order is not the subject matter of challenge in this petition. Full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner at this stage prays for withdrawal of this writ petition with a liberty to file in a proper manner. Full stop. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner husband died in harness while he was serving as pharmacist. And thereafter, he filed a representation before the respondent number 6, which is pending for disposal before the respondent number 5, Lordship. She is the second wife, Lordship, and her marriage was solemnized after the death of the first wife. And there was one child of the first wife, Lordship, and first wife raised an objection regarding
First wife had passed.
first wife or wife's daughter, Lordship, raised an objection. Otherwise, Lordship, the matter is pending, and where the authority is ready to give the
But for apportionment, can you come to this court?
Lordship,
You are ultimately asking for apportionment, a division.
Lordship,
There is a daughter of the first wife who had passed away.
no, I will give also a undertaking, Lordship, if allowed. Lordship. There is a provision also in the scheme, Lordship.
What do you say, madam?
Is it the objection raised by Prince Colita, one daughter of first wife? She may be part.
No, he,
I don't tell.
Mr. Bhattacharya says that he is willing to give an undertaking for apportionment. Matter is being delayed. When was the death? That was in November.
Lordship,
That was in November.
November. Lordship.
Okay, we issue a short notice. Maybe that lady also needs to be heard.
Is a minor.
Heard Rishi Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petition has been filed with a claim for release of pension and terminal benefits on the death of the husband of the petitioner on 18/11/2023 while he was discharging duties under the respondent number 6. Full stop. It is however submitted that after the death of the first wife, comma, the deceased had married the petitioner. Full stop. However, there is a daughter, within bracket respond number 6 or 5. Respond number 6.
Not a part.
She is not a party.
No.
Lordship is a minor girl.
Minor, he has to be represented by her next best friend.
Actually, she is living with her maternal uncle. Lordship. But
Whoever,
the next
maternal
guardian,
uncle,
Lordship.
maternal uncle is in a next friend.
Actually, Lordship, I have already mentioned Lordship in para 10 also.
No, you have to make her a party. She'll be represented. Make her a party. By the Kirehisu? No, my daughter, through the first wife, and on her objections, comma, the pension has been held up. Full stop. It, however, appears that the said daughter has not been made a party. Full stop. Para. Sri Bhattacharya, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the daughter is a minor. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, comma, let the said incumbent be made a party respondent by filing an IA by and who is to be represented by her present guardian / next friend in accordance with law. You file an IA, we'll allow it.
Public.
Item 9. May I please your lordship? This instant matter pertains to non-payment of my arrears salary and preventing me from withdrawing the salary under the prescribed phase. So the facts of the case in brief is that I joined as sub-inspector border ex-serviceman in the year 2018, December 2018. Subsequently, in May 2019, because of a foreigner tribunal's order, I was declared as a foreigner. Accordingly, an order was passed by the organization wherein I was discharged from my service. In the year 2023, I have challenged this particular order of foreigner tribunal, which was set aside, and I was declared as a citizen of India. Subsequently, I have informed the organization about this order. And
you are seeking arrears of pay.
Arrears of pay, and they have prevented me from withdrawing the salary under the prescribed phase. Currently, I'm withdrawing 33,780.
What is your name? Your name? T.R. Sen.
T.R. Sen, Lord.
Heard Sri T.R. Sen, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner was serving as a sub-inspector within bracket B, ex-serviceman of border headquarters. Full stop. However, in connection with a proceeding in the foreigners tribunal, comma, he was declared a foreigner, which order was, however, interfered with by this court on 29/3/2023, passed in WPC 3671 of 2019. Full stop. Thereafter, comma, the petitioner was reappointed in his post. Full stop. The present petition is filed with a claim for arrear salaries and also payment of salaries in the proper scale.
Lordship, that's a minor thing. They have applied the principle of non-lapse.
Okay, doesn't matter. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Ms. A. Talukdar, Learned State Council accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 1, 3, 4,
4, 6, and 7.
4, 6, and 7. Finance Department, Borpujari 2, 2 and 8. AG, SK Media 5. Extra copies within 2 working days. 2 days.
Deeply of that.
2 working days.
Much of
Only 1,000, 2 working days.
May please, your lords. My lord, it's a promotion matter, my lord. Respondent number 5 has been promoted, my lord, in spite of the fact that the petitioner was senior than him. Your lordship
Archly
will
B.
find.
Sinha, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the promotion of the respondent number 5 to the post of grade 3,
Yes, my gate trip.
to the post of LD assistant. Full stop. It is contended that the said respondent is junior to the petitioner. Petitioners.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. 3 R. Goswami. RB. Goswami, Learned Counsel representing the Corporation Department. Appearing on instruction of Ms. M.D. Bora, Standing Counsel, Corporation Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1,
1 to 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Let extra copies, Last steps for 5, 6 registered post ID within 2 days.
Let me see, in this writ petition, there was an earlier writ petition, which was withdrawn.
No, withdrawn. Liberty has been granted.
There is no mention of this.
Liberty has been granted.
Same law.
Very R. So-and-so, Tasut Loba.
Rule has been taken.
Sri Goswami has, however, informed that on the same cause of action, there was an earlier writ petition which was withdrawn, and there is no mention about the said writ petition, about the same in the present writ petition. Let's see that.
Obliging.
You bring a copy of that, Mrs.
Yes,
Sinha?
yes, ma'am.
May I please? The second round of litigation, fellow. Earlier it was directed, it was directed on 25/11/17, page number 18, madam, to the highly representation before the Principal Secretary, Family and Welfare Department for correction of his pay ban. Ultimately, after the representation, communication was made between the respondent and lot will turn to page number 29, madam. And then the area and all these things have detected that there is a due of 10,98,850. And thereafter, no action has been taken to release that amount. Page number 29 will make it clear, madam.
Third, Sri S. Bora, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner who was appointed as an ambulance vehicle mechanic had earlier approached this court by filing WPC 1903 of 2011 on the aspect of a proper pay band. Full stop. It is submitted that in terms of the order passed in the writ petition, comma, an exercise was carried out, and according to the petitioner, comma, an amount of rupees 10, 98, 850 has been worked out as arrear pay and allowance. Full stop. However, the same has not been released to the petitioner till date. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Ms. D. Bora, Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
No, Lordship, except 2.
We have a respondent was 1, 3, 4, and 5. Arbor Preserve 2, extra copies 2 days. Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, my lordship.
Yes, what is this?
My lordship, the petitioner is, was an ex-serviceman of State Bank of India, and he was initially appointed as temporary employee as per appointment letter 27/8/1992 and 12/1994 and 25/7/1994 issued by the branch manager, State Bank of India, Kotoha branch, my lordship. And after all, lastly, here as per order number R1/General oblique
No,
771.
you are getting,
dated
you are,
51/1994.
you are getting provident fund.
Actually, my lordship, the petitioner is now oldest, my lordship, he is now 73 years oldest. He is depriving from his pension, regular pension, and my lordship from provident fund. He has not getting provident fund from the authority.
Now, how do you get both pension and provident fund?
Provident fund, actually, my lordship, the petitioners are going on in exit option, voluntary retirement, my lordship. Because of his physical problem, financial problem, and
No,
family
see,
problem,
what
my
is
lordship.
your ultimate prayer that you are praying for pension after retirement? You said that you had opted for the provident fund.
Provident fund, so partially, lots of provident fund he has given, but total cartel for here, his provident fund cartel from 1995, 1995 provident fund, 1995, 1996, 10/1/1996, from his provident
Madam, you
fund.
see the prayer at,
Subscription was cartel.
you read your prayer at page 10.
Now,
Kindly read the prayer at page.
I know, my lordship, that he is not eligible to get pension
Then,
because of his he is not cover his age, not cover his tenure of service. But
it's not a matter of
my
age.
lordship,
Yes.
my lordship, to getting 2 points, take away 2 points from the handbook of State Bank, I am coming to pray. If
Which
if
page?
some
Which page?
yes, my lordship, is yes, my lordship, here point number 12, point
Page.
number 12,
Page.
page number 39. Here, page number 39. Here, two option, my lordship. Exit interview for resignation and voluntary retirement, my lordship.
Yes.
Voluntary retirement, lordship.
Hmm.
And point number 7, he is depriving the exit interview, my lordship. He has not taken any interview from retirement, my lordship. So, so he was not knowledge that he at the time of voluntary retirement, his age was 55 years, 6 months, my lordship. But the age was maximum on a minimum 58 months, my lordship. If he has knowledge by the authority, then he maybe continue only for 1.5 years, my lordship.
But
And he has not,
when was that? Which year? 2006, 2007. What did you do after that?
but my lordship, I cannot understand.
From 2006, what were you doing?
2006, the petitioner says age was 55 years.
What are you doing for the last 18 years?
Then no, my lordship, I have filed.
When?
We have filed, the petitioner has filed one petition before the Honorable Court, my lordship. Case number 6086. But this
60?
petition was 6086, my lordship, 21.
Where have you stated?
But this petition was with liberty has withdrawn because of
Where have you
handbook-
stated?
because the handbook.
Where have you stated, madam? Where have you stated here?
This petition was for with
Where have
liberty-
you stated in this petition?
Petition was withdrawn, my lordship.
Where have you stated? In this petition, that effect of filing the earlier petition,
Earlier petition, effect from 21.
where have you stated? Where is the
No,
statement in this
no,
petition?
my lordship. At that time, he has not getting the handbook from SBI. Voluntary.
Madam, we are asking a simple question. If you don't understand, then you better understand the language. Then you come to the court.
It was not filed by
Please
me,
before,
my lordship.
please
It
before
was
any other
not
court.
filed by me,
Please
lordship.
before any other court.
This petition was not filed by me, my lordship.
Where is the statement?
Statement, my lordship, he is depriving from pension. Simply he has,
Madam, we are asking a very
he has-
simple question. In this petition, where is the statement?
Nine, Sir, my lordship, this is the. I
We are not bothered with that.
Mention, I have not mentioned.
Why? Are you being fair to the court? You have suppressed material facts.
Mention, I have getting.
Don't come like this. We don't have the luxury to make you understand what we are trying to convey for half an hour. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable her to get appropriate instructions. After 2 weeks, you read the papers first.
All right,
Yes.
my lord.
Your lordship,
Yes.
matter regarding arrears salary lordship. The petitioner was lastly serving in the rank of inspector in the CRPF, and he was invalidated out from service,
CRPF, CGC.
lordship. Notice may be issued, lordship.
But there were earlier writ petitions.
Lordship,
Those
earlier
have been, has been closed by as declared to be infructuous.
lordship.
Then why do you, how can you come again?
Lordship, that matter, lordship, some misunderstanding, lordship, the salary, the arrears salary pay is not included, and the petitioner was,
Where is the liberty taken?
it's a new cause of action, lordship, because that matter, we are not paying the arrears.
Cause of action arises from which point of time?
Lordship, the prayer is in page number 15, lordship.
1-5.
Lordship,
Yes, please read.
may I read, lordship?
Yes.
In
Prayer-
the premises aforesaid, it is
Page 15.
1-5.
15 or 19, madam?
Earlier writ petition prayer, lordship.
Read this prayer. From where does it?
Our new prayer is the page number 9.
It arises from which date? Which date? You are asking for arrears of salary for the period 2002 to 2009
Lordship,
in filing in 2024.
lordship. Lordship, some misunderstanding, lordship.
Now, how do you come to a writ court to claim arrears of salaries after how many years?
Petitioner already approached the respondent authority, lordship. But hardly they are approached, lordship.
Now, how do you entertain this? Your cause of action was up till 3 years, 2009, maximum 3 years, 2012, matter ends there.
But the earlier writ petition was disposed of, lordship, 2024, lordship.
That was
That-
infructuous.
He knows that the actual thing, lordship. Then after he is,
Can you file a money suit with this? You can't.
no, lordship.
If you can't file a money suit, how do you come to writ court? How do you explain your conduct? Latches, 2009, we're in 2024. 14 years.
One day may be given, my senior will appear. And it's taken.
Who is your senior?
Mr. A.M. Borpia.
Hmm?
Mr. A.M. Borpia.
Ask him to come. Is he there or not? In the court.
Today he is come, but the matter our is going on court number lot 20.
We'll have it at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
This is our second round of the, we are SPOs, they applied for a advertisement on 2017. Your lordship have passed an order, but you will find the order at page 40,
Standard 2 marks.
standard 2 marks.
Yes.
Lordship, I'll just read the operative part.
Yes, then what happened now?
Now, in view of the above, the cases of the petition are directed to
No,
be
that we
considered
know.
by
That
2 marks.
we know. What has happened now?
Now, lordship, 2 marks were direct to be allotted for persons whose period of service was not specified in the certificate.
Correct.
Lordship, our period of certificate is categorically specified in our certificate. Now, after the judgment, we went with our mark sheets along with a representation that see our marks are there. Therefore, we should be allotted marks as per the advertisement. Lordship, now it is reliably learned that only 2 marks have been given, Lordship. And no, only it is reliably learned that only 7 candidates have been appointed till now. Only, Lordship, we need our certificates to be re-verified, Lordship, that's all. Because, Lordship, we have got all the certificates of SPOs in a separate volume. We have briefly our period of service is
Okay.
specifically mentioned.
Heard Sri B.P. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners are aspirants for the post of constables in the Assam Police, which was started by which was started via an advertisement dated 13/12/2017. Full stop. The petitioners claim to have the experience of serving as SPOs,
SPO
for which certain marks were allotted. Full stop.
in the advertisement.
Certain marks were allotted. Were to be allotted as per the advertisement. Full stop. It is submitted that instead of assessing the marks to be given to the petitioners for such services rendered, are standard marks of 2. No, the petitioners have come to know that a standard mark of 2 has been allotted, by which their scope and chance of being recruited would be, of being selected for recruitment would be adversely affected. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Madam for A. Talukdar, State Council for all the respondents. State level police recruitment board you'll be taking for all the respondents. Superintendent, that extra copies within 2 working days. Okay.
Lordship, at page 76, Lordship, there is an order. Lordship, in the interim, if verification is going on, Lordship, there is another order. Maybe, Lordship, at page 75, it may be a first round for them, but there is an order that it is provided that if verification exercise is going on, the petitioners shall be given an opportunity for their credentials to be verified. Lordship,
That is already there already. You are coming for the first time.
second time.
Then it's already there.
Yes.
Your credentials are verified. It's only the marks. If we find tomorrow that your marks are indeed given less, we'll get a chance. Okay,
Yes.
next.
It's your best.
Lordship, then any appointment may be subject to that much.
Not required.
But
Not
if appointment, if posts are filled up, that it will create third party right. That much.
Any appointments made to the aforesaid post? Well, you are how many?
26.
Why should you make this general embargo? Why not? No. Not required.
Sure, that
Yes.
Please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner herein, my lord, is presently working as tax collector at Mohra, my lord. And he was also instructed with the duty of my lord DP secretary since 2020 to my lord 7 August 2024, my lord. But in the meantime, my lord, the authority is going to fill up the vacant post of DP secretaries through direct recruitment without providing my lord any post, some post for my lord promotion, my lord. Kindly see the my lord RTI reply, my lord. Page my lord 66.
Just a minute. In the time Islamic account. You are a tax collector. Then
lord.
what happened?
My lord, petitioner, my lord, seeking my lord promotion to the my lord DP secretary, my lord. And my lord, their representation, my lord, is not yet to be considered, my lord.
Is there a provision in the rules?
My lord, rule 4, my lord, provides my lord promotion from lower rank to higher rank, but it does not provide from the tax collector to GP secretary. Kindly see the my lord rule 4, my lord.
Then if it doesn't provide, how do you get the benefit?
My lord, I have annexed one judgment from the my lord fourth grade grade 4 employee to my lord when promoted to the my lord tax collector, my lord grade 3. Even there is no specific my lord promotional avenue, my lord. Kindly see the my lord judgment, my lord office.
There is no negative equality.
Well-
If you show from the rules, recruitment rules,
My lord.
that tax collector is the feeder cadre for being promoted to the post of secretary.
My lord.
You make out a case. If there is no promotional ladder from tax collector to secretary, how can we direct?
My lord, kindly see my lord rule 4, my lord.
Rule 4.
My lord, rule 4 of
Panchayat.
Assam Panchayat Administrative Rule 2002, my lord.
Mhm. Assam Panchayat.
Assam Panchayat Administrative Rules 2002. First rule 2, my lord.
Just a minute, please. Administrative rules 216. Yes.
My lord, rule 2 provides the stopping pattern.
Hmm.
My lord, at Panchayat level, my lord, C. Rule 2C.
Yes, please.
Grade 3 staff, Roman 1, secretary, then tax collector come road mover.
Hmm.
And then my lord, grade 4 staff, peon comes superior, my lord.
Hmm.
Rule 4, my lord.
Hmm.
Proviso part, my lord.
Yes.
Last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
Provided further that such employee of different cadre in Jilla Parishad or Anshalik Panchayat or Gaon Panchayat within the jurisdiction of the Jilla Parishad shall form a unit of the district cadre of Panchayat employees, and their promotion from lower rank to higher rank shall be considered entirely according to
Yes, we have read. Yes, madam, what do you say? There have been cases of this nature earlier.
Lordship, secretary is not direct recruitment. Secretary. It's not
Direct
a-
recruitment.
Not a problem.
Okay, where is it? How do you promote? How do you appoint a secretary? Where is the provision?
Section 30 is the, my lord, mention,
30
30, my lord.
of
30 of Assam Panchayat Act 1994.
staff of Gaon.
It's not specifically mentioned.
If you come to 140, it is indicates sufficiently that it would be a direct recruitment post.
My lord, it is why, my lord, kindly say our prayer, my lord. My prayer, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, we
Arrears page
page, my lord,
30
29.
31.
Lord.
Okay,
Page
29.
29 statement.
Yes.
Prayer number 2, my lord.
How do you challenge the advertisement?
Because, my lord, the vacant post of Gaon Panchayat secretaries are going to be filled up through this advertisement, my lord.
That is by following the due process of law by open advertisement. How can you be aggrieved? There is no promotional ladder.
Because, my lord, kindly see the, my lord, judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, if the, my lord, the posts are filled up through the, my lord, direct recruitment, and no promotional avenue is there, service must be stagnant, my lord. And kindly see the,
You'll get stagnation benefit.
And
You'll
the-
get stagnation benefit.
and
All posts, there may not be a
there
promotional
must be
ladder
promotional avenue, my lord.
for all posts.
No, my lord. At least, my lord, some percentage of post, my lord, because other cadres have.
When you joined the post, you knew that there is no promotion ladder. If you join as a court manager in this court, can you aspire to become in a higher post by promotion? That is the only post. No promotion ladder.
Some other requisitions is already notice has been issued in the, my lord, by your lordship, my lord. And one of the requisition is, my lord, WPC 3725 of 2000.
But will you get anything? We may issue notice. That's a different matter. You'll not get anything.
Well,
You participate in this election process.
because in the advertisement, there is no specifically mentioned that the GP posts are, let them to obtain instruction whether GP posts
No,
are
why
available.
instructions? 140 is very clear.
My lord,
It has to be done by a staff selection board.
my lord.
It does not talk anything about promotion.
Rule 4 of, my lord, administrative rule, that there must be some provisions, there must be promotion from lower rank to higher rank, my lord.
Lower rank, but what post? If it is only provided by the rules.
Because of the tax.
That is a very general, obviously there will be promotion from lower to higher. But if there is not specified from which should be the feeder cadre, then how do you just simply say, no, I belong to a lower post, so I
Well, notice addition maybe issued, my lord.
heard Sri M. Islam Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. The claim made in this petition is with regard to promotion from the post of tax collector cum road moharar within bracket TC-RM to the post of Gaon Panchayat, secretary to the post of secretary of the Gaon Panchayat, full stop. It is averred that the petitioner is presently serving as tax collector cum road moharar and is also in charge of the post of secretary of the concerned, which Gaon Panchayat?
My lord, now he is, my lord, on 7-8, my lord, he was, my lord, come back to his original post.
Oh, no.
At present, he is not a, my lord.
Don't
in that matter.
क्या लिखा? tax collector, Road Mohar in the, which Gaon Panchayat?
My lord,
Balu,
my lord,
which one? Parampar or which one? Bordolong, which one?
Bordolonga Panchayat, my lord,
Presently,
my lord,
Bord or Balundar.
under Dholpukuri AP, my lord.
No, not Bordolong. You are
Balu under GP, my lord.
where where are you?
Presently, my lord,
No, I don't, secretary in a Gaon Panchayat, and on earlier occasion had also held the post of secretary on in charge basis. Full stop. The learned council has also referred to rule two of the Assam Panchayat within bracket administrative bracket close rules of 2002, which deals with staffing pattern. Full stop. It is submitted that in the hierarchy of post, comma, the post above TC cum RM is secretary, and therefore there is a legitimate expectation for such promotion. Full stop. Para. On the other hand, comma, Miss N Bora, learned standing council, PNRD, however, has submitted that the post of secretary of a Gaon Panchayat has to be filled up by direct recruitment. And in this regard, she has referred to section 20,
section 30,
30,
Oh,
30 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, read with section 140. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, comma, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. Bora, the learned standing council, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents,
That's it. 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, and 5 also.
That's it. There is no any post of director in the department. Now it's
Or this is the
commissioner.
department.
Now it's commissioner.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Full stop. Mr. B. Chaudhary, State Level Recruitment Commission, SLRC. Is he there in the court? Vikram Chaudhary. Mr. Borpujari, is he there? Vikram Chaudhary, is he there otherwise? Oh, Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, SLRC, accepts notice on behalf of respondent 4. Full stop. Para. Ms. Bora has also clarified that there is no director in the department, and therefore there is no requirement to take steps for respondent 5. Extra copies, 2 working days. Yes.
highly obliged, my lord.
Method pattern non-payment of family pension. At this stage, notice may be issued, madam. The husband of the petitioner, my join on service 1180, regularized with effect from 22/7/2005, and thereafter he died during the course of service, my lord, 39/2005. 2005.
2005, you're
My lord.
coming after 20
There are
years.
just so many issues involved regarding deduction of 6 years. That's why has not that was so thereafter in the year 2018. That could now as per my knowledge, could not process due to non-completion of 1 year. Count from the date of regulation.
Was the husband receiving pension?
My lord.
He was. Husband was receiving pension or not?
Died in harness, my lord.
He died in harness.
My lord. He ought to have been retired in the year 2028. My lord.
Petitioner is claiming a writ of mandamus, but no representation has been prepared by the petitioner. The petition is silent whether they have, my lord, approached the authority.
No, we are also on the aspect of 2005.
Yes.
2024.
Yes.
20 years.
20 years. So although it is stated, my lord, that the husband of the petitioner had expired on 30th of September 2005, but thereafter what had transpired, my lord, the petition is silent.
What papers have you annexed?
My lord.
At least one representation could have, my lord.
I have annexed list of regulation list, my lord.
No, please.
And
Where is your name?
name, my lord, Govunda Voluntary, my lord, husband name, my lord.
The
And-
lordship will find that page, my lord, 15.
15.
Page 15. Alright. That's copy.
Next of kin you have just
My lord,
obtained in 2023.
23, my lord.
23. Heard Sri K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this petition has raised a claim for family pension on account of the services rendered by her husband, Govinda Basamatari. Full stop. It is submitted that the husband of the petitioner, who was working as a masteral worker, had his services regularized with effect from 22/7/2005. Full stop. However, he had passed away while in service on 30/9/2005. Full stop. Para. Though the aspect of delay is there, comma, considering the subject matter, which is pension, comma, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Three. And Upadhyay, Learned Standing Court.
4 and 6.
Irrigation Department accepts notice on behalf of 1,
4 and
1, 4, and 6. Pension public grievance.
Government, my lord,
C. K. Sharma Bora, Learned State Council for 2. 2 and 2. Finance Department, R. Borpujari, Finance Department 3.
7, my lord.
3 and 7. AG
5.
AG 5 estimate. And Mr. Upadhyay, you are also for 6, I think. 6. 6. Executive Engineer and Irrigation. 1 and 6.
1 and 6.
Okay.
1
Extra copies.
1, 4 and 6 I have.
Okay. Extra copies. 2 working days. Okay.
Obliged.
Article 17.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, this writ petition is filed by the petitioner for issuance of next of kin certificates in her favor, Lordship.
It's better. Now it is online application process, but providing all the necessary documents.
You're applying next of kin for whom?
She is the second wife of the deceased, Lordship. So she has applied for the next of kin certificate, but that was objected by respondent number 8, Lordship. So due to which the
Parties are Hindus or Muslims?
Muslim.
Respondent number 8 is the first wife.
No. The respondent number 8 is the son of the first wife, and she has already been expired in the year 2010, Lordship, before the expiry of the husband, Lordship.
Next of kin, can it be resisted?
Lordship,
Can it be resisted? Parties are Muslims. Second wife. Can it be resisted? It cannot be resisted, perhaps. They will be entitled to next of kin. We issue notice at this stage. A. Bora.
A. Bora.
Heard Miss A. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the fact that the next of kin certificate has not been furnished to her in spite of her application, full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner is the second wife of second and only surviving wife of late Siddiq Hussain, and she has been informed that certain objections have been made by the respondent numbers
8.
Not 5 to 9, only 8.
Only 8, Lord. They are the children of the first wife, Lord.
But 5 to 9 all are the children
Yes, Lordship.
by the children through the first wife, comma, more specifically, respondent number 8. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Sri C.K. Sharma Bora, London State Council accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2.
Not 1, Lordship, 2, 3, and 4.
GAD, who's there? GAD. Fukan, Aruna Fukan. Is he there in the court or not? I don't think he's in the court. Some adjournment was sought for in his name this morning. Pinayak. Pinayak is there in the court. Sri Pinayak, Land Standing Council. GAD accepts notice on behalf of number 1, C.K. Sharma Burunland State Council 2, 3, 4. Extra copies within 2 working days. Steps 5 to 9. Registered post ready within 2 days.
I will examine that one, whether Muslim families can get this certificate.
No, they will get. There is no concept of bigamy. Had it been Hindus, then
Yes,
matters would be different.
Pleasure.
18.
Lordship. Lordship, petitioner herein, she was appointed as an Anganwadi worker on 1/8/1992, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, she was discharging his duty, Lordship, but thereafter on 11/12/2016, Lordship, the president of the state Anganwadi worker filed a complaint before the CGM Guwalpara, Lordship, alleging that she petitioner misappropriated of money rupees 10,900, Lordship, by forging the signature of the president. Thereafter, Lordship, on 21/5/2018, respondent number Lordship 4 issued a focus notice to the petitioner.
What is your name?
Lordship S. Islam, Lordship.
Item number
18.
Howard Sri S. Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. In the year 1992, comma, the petitioner was appointed as Assistant Anganwadi worker.
Assistant.
What is this assistant Anganwadi worker?
Not, it is
temporary.
helper lordship.
Helper, lordship, worker.
Then are you shy to use the expression
So,
helper?
kindly, lordship, appointment letter, lordship pays. 30
Assistant
lakh.
Anganwadi worker. In the, what is the name of the center? In the
Lordship,
Guru
Guru Chatka,
Chatka Part 2
part two.
Anganwadi Center in the district of Gwalpara.
Lordship, Kolbara.
Full stop. However, during the course, during the discharge of her service, comma, a police case was lodged against her in which she was arrested. Full stop. However, in this arrested, the case, however, concluded with an order of acquittal. Full stop.
14/6/24 lakh.
14/6/2024.
24 lakh.
Full stop. Though the petitioner claims to have approached the authorities for her reinstatement, comma, no action has been taken. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks.
Lordship, kindly, lordship, have a look, lordship,
Ms. M. Bhattacharya lends additional senior advocate for all the respondents.
respondents.
All the respondents. Extra copies within 2 working days. Yes, what?
lordship, kindly have a look, and exact lordship.
Yes,
is
what?
22, lordship.
What is this?
Lordship, during his suspension was withdrawn, lordship, by the respondent of 4, but due to interference of the respondent of 3, he could not join, lordship.
18 doesn't matter. Okay, take instructions.
Sure.
Did you initiate any proceeding because of her arrest?
Lordship, during, lordship, interim, he will be allowed to, during this.
That is the final relief. Can it be an interim relief? If you allow it to join, nothing remains to be decided.
Much obliged.
Item 19. Item 19. What is this, Mr. Sarma Bro?
So there is no adverse against the petitioner lordship, the service order, but this thing that his pensionary benefits are not been
Okay.
released. after
None
the
appears for the petitioner on call. Para, in the interest of justice, list after a week. Okay.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the only short point involved in this case is whether in terms of Ajay Chaudhary's mandate, the review was done or not. If lordship to kindly take note of the dates. 30/12/23 is the date of suspension.
You work as what? Lot Mandal.
Latmon. 30/12/23, my lord. Show cause notice was issued on 1/3/24.
Yes.
That is beyond 3 months. And thereafter, my lord, till date, review has not been. Now, my lord, state offense makes one argument that in Ajay Chaudhary, in para 22, the relief was not given. My lord, the relief, why it was not given is there because Central Administrative Tribunal, in terms of the Central Administrative Tribunal direction, in the meantime, charge sheet was given. But law is para 21. In fact, my lord, the other day before division bench also, this argument was advanced. I was in the other side. Anyway, I will reply to that. That way it is covered. The suspension has to go.
Yes, we will show short notice. Okay.
Considered suspect and send it to the department. Take a picture. It was an order passed on 9/4/2024. The committee was here. Next one was
We will issue a short notice.
Yes.
Notice has been there. We can take it.
My lord, he is retiring on 31st.
Of this month.
Yes.
August. And
You'll
if we are-
get, if you are, you'll get back everything. If what you are projecting is confirmed by them, then there is nothing.
I can read that para to my lord of Ajay Chaudhary. Very clear.
Those are very clear. No, we are
Every
only,
time an argument is advanced, even on that ground, a written bill has been preferred. I was shocked.
One does not have not mean something like that. That was also considered it 20 was considered. That's like a sort of year covered.
okay. Heard Sri K. and Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel. Assisted by Sri A.K. Azad.
Okay.
For the petitioner, full stop. The petitioner who was serving as a Latmandal in the Boitamari Revenue Circle in the district of Bongaigaon was placed under suspension on 30/12/2023. Full stop. It is the specific case of the petitioner that no periodic review within a period of 90 days as required under the law was done, and the proceeding and the disciplinary proceeding was also initiated only on 1/3/2024 by issuance of the show cause notice. Full stop. Para. The Learned Senior Counsel submits that the mandate laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Ajay Kumar Chaudhary versus so-and-so, reported in so-and-so, will squarely cover the case in hand. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on date. Datta,
It's civil, but
Madam, date
it's there.
14. 11 on 28, 2/8.
2/8.
2 weeks. On 28. M. Bhattacharya, no, revenue number as Datta for
1 and 2.
sending council revenue for 1 and 2.
And 2.
And others, madam? 4,
Yes,
5,
Lord.
6, M. Bhattacharya, and additional
Lord,
sitting.
usually take it up on 27th, Lord.
27th. Okay, 27th. 27th.
April.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Like,
Yes.
But there is complete statutory violation with regard to 30% reservation of women in respect of the advertisement, for the post of scientific officers and junior scientific officers in Directorate of the Assam Forensic Science. The advertisement is at annexure 2,
Yes.
at page 21, you will find the total post that has been shown, in respect
Now
of
that advertisement is of September.
September.
Recruitment done.
Recruitment, yesterday, after written test, result come out, and oral test also was done, on yesterday, and after filing of the petition,
Now, what is the basis of your apprehension that while making the recruitment, the appointment, 30% will not be adhered to?
Complete violation in the advertisement itself, the post has been earmarked, there is no 30%, 13 posts are there. Even 13, as a whole, 13 posts are taken, then in respect of scientific officer, then 4 posts will be reserved, here only 2 posts has been shown, and even division wise, the distribution of division wise posts, treated, then also, there is no clear clarification, only 2 posts has been shown.
Third, Sri D. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners are working as scientific. Are you still working in 3F?
3F.
Are working as scientific officers in the Directorate of Forensic Sciences, SAM, under Regulation 3F of the APSC within bracket limitation of function bracket close regulations 1951 full stop. An advertisement was issued being advertisement number 26 of 2023 for filling up of the aforesaid post on regular basis full stop. It is submitted that the said advertisement is in violation of the Assam Women within bracket reservation of vacancies in services and post bracket close Act 2005 full stop. It is specifically submitted that the 30% reservation has not been adhered to, and the number of posts earmarked for women are less than those prescribed
Yes.
under the law. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on what 6th of September. Mr. Sharma for
My lord, for two, my lord.
APS, then Home Political, Miss Say State Council for 1 and 3, and P. Sharma for respond number
2, my
Land Standing Council APSC for respond number 2. Extra copies within 2 working days.
But I have been interim prayer, my lord.
Interim prayer or not?
In the meantime, my lord, no appointments will be made. my lord.
Sorry. On the instance of a 3F appointee, we are not going to. Ultimately, it will boil down to 3F.
My lord,
If you are successful and 30% will get a post, we are not going to stay.
my
Sorry.
lord, we are continuing, my lord, but the last.
You are
appointment
continuing on the
order-
basis of what? 3F.
3F, my lord, 1 year, two extensions. have been
You have
made, my lord.
participated. Let us see if you are successful in the reservation issue. We will get
But
a
if
post.
appointments are made, my lord, we will be ousted from service, my lord.
That is why you have come. We know why you have come.
Yes, my lord.
You know that your
We have
3F
not
is going to
suppressed,
be.
my lord. We have not
No,
suppressed, my
we are
lord.
not saying you have suppressed,
Yes, sir.
but we know the intention you have come. If you are successful,
My lord,
Indeed. First reserve, why should you, first you have to be competent within the reserve category also. Only by reserving will not do. We will not know how many women have participated. Whether it will come within the 4 posts or 2 posts, that also we do not know. We'll see the outcome. Yes, next.
Item 20.
Yes, madam.
We
But I
have
hasn't filed.
File this IA 2386 to
Yes.
get included as respondent number 5.
Yes. What is your name? Jyotish Chandra. Oh, applicant is Runumi Das. Runumi Das.
Runumida.
You would be respondent number 5. Yes, you are a petitioner, writ petitioner.
My lord, I am the writ petitioner and husband, madam, and the matter relates to my regular pension. Madam. Now,
No, this come for the first time. I would like to, would you like to file some,
my lord, I will file an objection.
okay, file an objection.
Fine.
2 weeks time.
My lord.
Okay. Esakia, heard Miss Esakia, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for implement as respond number 5 in the connected WPC 3987 of 2022, para 3 AR Bhuya, learned
Okay.
counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner has, however, submitted that he would like to file an objection. Full stop. It is also submitted by him that the subject matter of the writ petition is with regard to the pensionary benefits, in which the applicant would not have any,
Any role.
in which the applicant would not be a necessary party.
Fine.
Full stop. Para. Let such objections be filed within a period of 2 weeks.
My lord, already an IA is also pending. That may not be pressed by my friend.
And the 1178.
Yes.
1178, we can close it.
Yes.
Fine.
We can dis-
Heard Ms. A.C.K. Leonard, counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Also heard Sri A.R. Bhuya, Leonard, counsel for the writ petitioner. Full stop. Para. The Leonard counsel, Ms. Saikia, has submitted that subsequently another IA has been filed in the proper format. Full stop. In view of the efforts in development, comma, there is no reason for continuing with this IA. Full stop. The application is accordingly closed.
Obliged.
Closer होगा 1178 में.
I didn't really want.
Madam, I will transfer the timing, my lord. My senior is on deck, my lord, in court number 4.
Who is the senior?
Mr. J.K. Goswami.
After some time,
What is the matter?
a dismissal from service.
We'll have to hear this otherwise also. Pleadings are complete. We'll have this on a hearing date. Matter of which year? 21. Yes, we'll have it on a hearing date. After DP. After a DP.
After DP.
You get the records of the DP.
Record. There was already an order, and last time also they took time that they will be producing it today.
Record.
Huh?
Record. We have received the record.
You receive the records. Full stop.
Can it be on 5th, my lord? 5th of September.
5th, yes, we can have it on 5th. Yes. Thursday.
Thursday.
5th. Okay. Heard Sri S. Datta, Leonard Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Para. What is your name?
Mr. J. Borman.
J. Borua.
Borman.
J. Borman. Sri J. Borman, Leonard Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri J.K. Goswami, Standing Counsel, Apex Bank, has submitted that records have been received. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter of dispute, comma, place this writ petition for admission hearing on 5/9. Okay.
So,
Pursuant to an MIB lordship, Medical Invalidation Board, and on the basis of the opinion rendered by the Medical Invalidation Board, I was ousted from service. Lordship, if I may take your lordship to paragraph 3 of my writ petition.
Affidavit filed, Mr.
Yes,
Chaudhary?
sir. Feelings are complete.
Matter of 21, we take
Yes,
up for disposal.
If I may take your lordship to paragraph.
But your syndrome is not good.
No, it's curable, lordship, otherwise.
Curable.
Curable.
Cured or not?
Because I have.
He was not cured.
No. Now I have left consuming.
No.
Now
You
I
have
have left consuming, lordship.
left consuming what?
Alcohol, lord.
Alcohol. We can't trust you.
And I am a cook, lordship. I am not.
Cook.
And there is no remarks in my.
There is
FCR.
any moral bar or restriction that a cook cannot consume?
No, in CRPF, other paramilitary forces, these are supplied by the authorities, Lord.
Supplied?
To some quantity, Lord.
You have not left.
If I may take your lordship to.
And God knows what you have cooked after consuming.
No, lordship, there is no complaint. Even SCRs were, all SCRs were good, lordship. In my 20 years of service, lordship. Now, if I take your lordship to page
Okay, we'll have this for disposal. Tell us on it. What was the final,
Final lordship.
no, what is the final order of
Yes,
penalty?
Invalidated.
Invalidated.
On medical ground, at page 32, Lord. Discharge on medical ground.
Hmm?
At page 32, it starts from page 32, the AP note. 34, Lordship will find at paragraph 707.
See, even while signing the affidavit, his hand appears to be shaking.
How you can write her.
Okay, readings have been exchanged and the matter pertains to the invalidation of the service of the petitioner who was serving as a cook in the CRPF.
CRPF.
Para, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties. List for admission hearing on same date. 5th September.
Obliged. For final disposal.
That is the understanding.
23 to 26.
Yes, Mr. Bhatta.
Let's be all right, disciplinary proceeding, okay?
But 3 petitions by same.
Same, 4 persons per person. But in this matter, I'll pay for an adjournment to tell. Otherwise,
Affidavits have been filed.
pleadings are complete.
After a DP.
DP, your lordship, they have conducted a DP. We said that the procedure has not been followed.
You get the records of the DP? Okay. Heard Sri as Bhotakur learned counsel for the petitioner. Alag order. Huh? Sri Sharma learned counsel appearing for the NCHAC. Praise for some accommodation. Full stop. List on when? 21 matter. List on 10th of September. 10th of September. The records of the disciplinary proceeding may be obtained in the meantime.
Your lordship observed that an attempt shall be.
No, that is 21 matter. We'll try to. That is why I fixed on Tuesday.
Deeply okay.
Huh? এটা order বেলেগ বেলেগ কিয় দিব পাৰা আগতে এটা মাৰিছে কিন্তু আগতে উইথ আছিলে ফটোকপি কৰি দি দিব চবতে এখনত দিলে নহয় বহুত বেয়া চন্দন যদি উইথত থাকে সদায় Item number? Yes, please.
The petition before your lordship, where the employees of 3 months of comfortable Kolkata society, my lord, they were brought into regular scale of pay, my lord, in the year 2018, my lord. And my lord, but after retirement, they were not getting any pension or benefit, my lord. So, similarly situated employees often have formulated a scheme, my lord, under LIC. They are not included in the paid scheme, my lord. That is why they approach before the authority, my lord, to
Affidavit filed. Affidavit filed.
Phone number 1 is filed on affidavit. Because may kindly see para number 4 of the affidavit.
Para 4.
Para 4. File the exponent number 1.
Yes, please read.
That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 4, 5, 7, 8, and 13 of the petition, the deponent says that as Simonto Sankar Kolakata is a society, employees got salary from grants in it, so except from granting the amount, other service matters do not come under the purview of the Cultural Affairs Department. Service matters have to be decided by Simonto Sankar Kolakata Society. The Cultural Affairs Department has consulted Finance Department on the matter twice.
an extract of the views of the finance department enclosed to edit for reference annexure 1. What can see the annexure? This is the of the finance. Finance department observes that Simanto Sankar Collector is a society employs from salary from grants in it, and hence there is no applicability of grade pay in case of remuneration from grants in it. Hence, the matter may be decided by the executive council of the society, and finance department has no view to offer. This is the approval of the secretary of the government of the finance. Also, it is the society law that they create their own function.
Mr. Goswami, you are representing the society. What do you say?
Lordship, I have some instruction herein. As per the report of the assessment committee constituted by the government, the designed 39 numbers of employees of Srimanto Sankardev Kalakshetra, the Kalakshetra Society, were brought under scale pay of with effect from 1/06/2018, but no suggestions and direction in regards to the pension and gratuity in case of providing the facility applicable to other similar situated persons absorbed under Srimanto Sankardev Kalakshetra have been recommended in the report by till number 20. Now, Lordship, and for which the said employees were to be left out. Now, Lordship, but giving deep importance in the matter, Sankardev Kalakshetra authority has already sent a letter to the government requesting to suggest and advise to find out a way of opening pension and gratuity scheme in case of contributing a benefit of say scale pay employees by so and so had also sent a proposal to the government creation of head of account under 21(7) for availing payment of pension gratuity facility for the said 39 employees as so and so. Moreover, correspondence has been made with the LICI, a letter dealing the matter along with the list of the scales pay employees has already been sent to the manager, PNGS Life Insurance Corporation of India, Guwahati Division, to find out a suitable solution to the necessary process is going on as per the decision of the General Council meeting held on 11/01/2022. A report regarding the said matter is being awaited from the government. The resolution of so minus of the General Council meeting that is so has instructed the Secretary Cultural Affairs Department to submit a report on employee issued and the service rules of Srimanto Sankardev Kalakshetra.
Mr. Goswami, you come to the prayer in this petition. Prayer is only for including them in the LICI group insurance scheme. It is not for any other benefits. Not for pension from the cultural department. They are in a society. They want their names to be included in the insurance scheme. What steps have you taken? I think this is something basic. Tomorrow they are going to attain the age of superannuation. Then where will they go? And if something happens during their service. Every organization has group insurance scheme. If the claim was something else, like pension from the department, matter would have been different. But here I think it's something very basic and reasonable. What have you said on this aspect, that including them in a group LIC group insurance scheme? Isn't it possible?
Some measures were taken, Lord.
Now, where is the impediment? Where is the hurdle?
That Lordship, Sankardev Kalakshetra is undoubtedly it is a society, but it was created through some accord, Lordship. Some special care from the government is necessary to run this Sankardev Kalakshetra, Lordship. And therefore, in the General Council meeting, the General Council, Lordship, the government officials, the superior officials of the government is there also in the General Council.
No, this including the petitioners in a group insurance scheme Where is the hurdle or where are you facing the difficulty?
Lordship, regarding fund, Lordship, why their name were left, Lordship, it is there in my.
The group insurance, the funds problem should not be there. How much should be the fund?
Lordship, their regularization is from 2018, Lordship. The list was prepared before that, Lordship. Their regularization is from 2018, Lordship.
No, it's not a question of regulation. They are neither seeking regulation nor any salary benefit or pension. They are only asking that include us in the scheme. And if it's an insurance scheme, it's a welfare measure after all. And we have seen their ages, 50, 52, 49.
Yes, Lordship.
They're post-prime, their youth. Now they cannot go anywhere else.
On that particular direction, Lordship, I have to take some instruction.
Take
Lordship, on that
instructions.
particular.
Mr. Sharma Barua, you also take instructions. Though it's a society, but some steps from the cultural department may be necessary. Because it's a scheme, they're only asking for introducing, having a scheme.
Earlier there was a scheme. That scheme got expired. So because society can have to open.
Yes, that is it. That is it.
Fund has to be from the LIC.
Yes, yes. At times, these schemes are not continued due to some negligence or some laches, but you have to make a conscious effort to have it active. Okay, how much time?
1 week time.
Okay, we'll fix a date. Heard, Sri B. Buragohai Learned Council for the petitioners. Also heard Sri C.K. Sarma Buro and State Council, as well as Sri J.K. Goswami Learned Council for the respondables 2 and 4. You have not made the society a party, Mr. Buragohai. So this is not proper. We don't expect this from you. The vice chairman or secretary is party, you not make them party.
Society is not part.
On the prayer made by Sri Goswami for matter is adjourned to be listed after 10 days to enable him to seek instructions. Okay. Next.
My lord, in this case, readings are completed, my lord. And I think records are also available to chip the records, my lord, but it's complete.
Dalan for whom? State Bank of India. Disciplinary proceeding.
Disciplinary proceeding, my lord. Leading to dismissal for service, my lord.
Okay. Pleadings are complete and the matter pertains to dismissal from service after a disciplinary proceeding. Full stop. You have the records of the proceeding?
So I have shipped some records, but it is incomplete.
Get the records. List for admission hearing on 12th of September. Full stop. Sri Jalan, the Learned Council representing the respondent bank, is directed to obtain the records of the disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
What are the charges?
My lord, charges were actually, there was misappropriation that happened in the bank, my lord, prior to posting of the petitioner there, my lord. And petitioner has been actually in a very irregular process, my lord, he has been victimized, my lord.
But during the period of 4 years, different
managers were there. He was there for only 8 months. A person who was, my lord, suffering from some psychological disorder, my lord. I established from there is perversity, my lord, gross perversity is there.
Okay.
Matter has to be heard finally last time. I'm ready, man. To see record. He was a head assistant in PWD and he was suspended.
Public
Ultimately-
Works. Public Works Department.
Hello? Public Works. He was, my lord,
Nobody is there, Mr. Das.
demoted from the.
Nobody is there.
They are not serious about it.
No, they have filed affidavit in opposition.
We
They are slightly serious.
can go for goal, man.
Who is their Public Works Department? Mr. Nayak, Mr.
Dhar.
Dhar, Mr. Dhar. Name shown or not? Please wait for a while.
Yes.
Let us expect that somebody would come.
Yes. Two provision violated, my lord. One is that Rule 9, another is that FR 54. By imposing a penalty of censure and treating the leave period as under from his credit. Suspension. So two. Earlier, on appeal, he got released. Let him come. I not take much.
Yes, agriculture. Yes, Madam Bora, affidavit filed.
Yes, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, it is for promotion, my lord. So, matter here, petitioner falls under the category of PWD candidate, my lord. As per the provisions of the law, my lord, 4 persons should be given to that category, my lord. Only 1 person has been selected out of 199. This is my case, my lord. But what happened, my lord, in this case, my lord, already, my lord, they have filed affidavit. Earlier, occasion, my lord, this case was fixed for hearing date for disposal, my lord. If it is possible on next Tuesday or Thursday.
Next Tuesday, we have fixed many matters. We'll have a date. Yes, we'll have this for disposal on a hearing date. On a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties, list for admission hearing on 27 August, Tuesday.
Oblige, Your Lord.
Yes,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, on the earlier date, this honorable court has directed to file an IA for the implement of respondent number 5 as director.
You have filed?
Lordship, we have filed the IA, but which is registered today, Lord.
Okay. What is your name?
MHL.
Sri M.H. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that IA for implement has been filed today. Full stop.
Lordship, we have filed the IA on 9th of August.
Then today, what is it registered? Has already been filed, which, however, is yet to be listed. We are listing the IA list along with the IA said to have been filed.
A date may be fixed, Lord.
On Wednesday next.
Obliged, Lord. Highly obliged.
Hey, Peter. Hello, the uncomplicated staff promotion is denied as per security. Maybe disposal in the same time.
Okay, this is for what?
This is for promotion matter.
Only promotion.
Only promotion.
They have admitted in the affidavit.
Yes, sir. Page 48 and 51 of the affidavit.
Anil Kumar.
One similar judgment I have annexed.
Okay, dispose of.
That-
That's nothing. It'll put head level at all.
Mate.
Yes.
Yes. Look, here in advertisement was issued by the district and session judge for appointment of legal aid counsel. My specific case is that respondent number 4 does not have the requisite 5 judgments of session tribal case. My lord. We have filed affidavit. My lord, I hope the record has been also received by my friend.
The affidavit is prepared, is only thing is that it has not been filed. No, the affidavit is prepared. But Lordship, we
You are
again-
filing the affidavit on behalf
Before
of whom?
respond number three, Lord.
Who is free?
He is,
Chairman of
chairman.
PLST and district and session.
Yes.
Okay. And the other respondents, Asalsa is there.
Is there. They
You are
have
for
filed.
Asalsa. Oh, you're at Madam Chaudhary. Okay.
On number four,
I'm for the
private respondent has only filed the affidavit.
And Mr. You are for 4. No judgments.
Judgment,
Huh?
No, judgment of other
already we have
advocate has been
submitted,
placed.
that was verified by the.
But those judgments are of other advocates.
Yes, madam.
Well, in, I have. stated the
Let
results,
my
that's
friend
why-
show a judgment.
Hmm?
Only this is our case.
Let us
madam.
see your judgments.
This is our case.
Where affidavit?
Yes, no judgment is there.
Judgment has not been.
Yes.
Where have you stated?
Stated
Which
in
are the judgments dated?
Okay, as per our affidavit, Rafiqul Islam has submitted judgment and as per our affidavit.
5 judgments.
93 plus.
Hmm?
Page 135, madam. Running.
135.
Paragraph 4. I have written the
135.
running page. 130 started paragraph 4.
Actually, in fact, Lordship, I cannot name the judgment which he has submitted. This one, take it.
What is the name of the SP number 4?
Yes, Rafiqul Islam.
What is the name of the council?
Rafiqul Islam. Lord.
Rafiqul Islam.
Not the same person.
That is another.
Because Rafiqul Islam is the person who is being selected for deputy.
What is the name of the council beside you?
He is Lordship.
He is also Rafiqul Islam.
Why don't you give some of your judgments?
My lord.
Veterans there.
My lord.
Who knows who they paid?
My lord, here my friend says they have clarified through some wakalatnama, but that will not do. Judgment required.
Where wakalatnama?
Affidavit of the Restorer of City is required. Okay, this file then
You have only given wakalatnamas of 4
Yes,
cases.
no judgment is annexed.
submitted, but it is submitted.
This is our specific
For
case,
the
my lord.
purpose of brevity, I have.
Let
taken
Mr.
it.
Khandakar be the
They very specific case, my lord.
get the
I
benefit.
judgment required. Let my friend show.
You have judgments.
Yes, I have. I have also annexed.
Mr. Islam, these are objective things. If you have judgments, show it.
Oh, yes, my lord. That
And
matter-
march out. If you don't have judgments,
I have annexed my judgment from page 45.
you must be a very unpopular council.
My lord. That is why.
That is why.
Because selection list says that I am only qualified person, and even after list, they have been given chance to clarify 4 judgments. But where is that judgment?
Yes.
That was also total 43 numbers of application, 21 number of applications have been rejected. So, but whose application has been rejected on what ground? If we able to find out.
His has not been rejected.
I have not been rejected.
He is only questioning the selection of Mr. Islam because of want of judgments.
He has submitted the document. Yes. As per our para number.
Oh, you have stated so.
Yes,
Get the judgment, get the judgments.
Yes, that.
These are the
Okay.
list of-
In this,
The middle paragraph.
of the affidavit, we have the affidavit. Oh, you are,
You have prepared the
Not yet
affidavit,
filed.
not
oh,
filed.
then you file it.
Yes.
Okay. Let it be filed. You can have a verification done. While pleadings have been exchanged between the other parties, the affidavit in opposition by the
Phone number.
Respondent number 3 is yet to be filed, full stop. Para 3, C.K. Sharma Bural and State Council submits that the affidavit is ready and it be filed within a short time. Full stop. Para. List after 2 weeks.
Date, my lord, may, any date, my lord.
Yes,
On
fix it,
27.
list, don't say the list. A list on 14, 1, 2, on the 2nd of September.
I'm over. Can it be, my lord? Can it be third, my lord?
Third will be a Tuesday. Okay, we can have it on 3rd September.
My lord, with the consent of my CDR, my lord, I'm just making a mention in item 29.
Yes,
My lord,
PWD.
My lord may fix the matter in any hearing day, my lord. Tuesday or Thursday, any date, my lord. Today, my lord, I have some difficulty.
Okay.
Okay.
On a request made by Sri Ardhar, Learned Standing Council, Public Works Department, list on Mr. Das?
Tuesday,
List- No, not this Tuesday. This Tuesday will not be
Thursday?
possible. Let us try on 22nd.
22nd.
22nd. Matter which year? No, not 22nd. 27th.
2022, man.
27th. 27. Tuesday. 27, you come ready, we'll go. He
No,
says
no,
that
no,
matter
no.
can be disposed of.
So, 4th of September, I think. Issue is very, I have the record also, my lord.
Okay. Next.
35 and 36.
So this is the matter, Kamrup Metro, the notaries, they have an association.
Hmm.
They have filed, my lord, this petition challenging certain things. I think the LR has filed an affidavit, and I believe I am required to give a response to that matter.
Okay. In both the matters, affidavit
No,
filed.
I am in the other matter.
Mr.
36, I appear, Your Lordship.
Affidavit filed.
Verbally, I've been instructed my client to withdraw the matter, Lordship, but I've not gotten it, instructions from him, Lordship. So, Lordship, may post it.
You get an written instructions, withdraw it on the next occasion.
So
We'll continue with Mr. Barbara's petition.
I need 3 times.
Okay.
Maybe posted sometime in September.
In WPC 206 of 2024, an affidavit has been filed by the respondent number
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Full stop. Sri A.C. Barbara, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioners, prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file
3 weeks.
affidavit in reply. Or it would list along with 206 of 2024.
One more thing, the High Court is also party.
Okay.
I don't know who is appearing. They are actually required to respond to my petition.
Okay.
Then it's all.
Okay. Next.
Lordship, I think sometime in September.
The 3rd week, 3 weeks we have said. You file it, we'll see.
Lordship, problem.
Item 40.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, matter may be passed over for the time being.
Time being.
This matter, we are awaiting inspection, specific inspection.
Notice, you get the, okay. Notice was issued on 26/7/2024. Para 3 R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Forest Department, prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions, file affidavit in opposition.
Public document.
41.
Respondent counsel is not
Employment classmate,
drafted.
who, Mr.
SP staff.
SP Das, where is Mr. Das?
Otherwise, your lordship, this case has already been, the issue has already been settled by this honorable court, your lordship.
What is the issue?
Issue is, your lordship, the petitioners, your lordship, are senior instructors of ITI, your lordship. Their subjects are social studies and English, your lordship. Now they are not being promoted to the next cadre, your lordship. That's why they came before this honorable court. Prior to this, your lordship, in fact, your lordship may kindly come to page 45, your lordship. This is 45.
Yes.
The instructors, mathematics of the ITIs have come before this honorable court. And the honorable court, your lordship,
while whether they will be entitled for promotion under the rules, your lordship, has decided it, your lord.
Hmm.
Page 45.
You contend that this judgment will cover your case?
Absolutely, your lordship. Your lordship will kindly come to page 53, para 27, last.
No, but in absence of.
Lord, may pick some other date.
Okay. Do three as Botakur learned counsel for the petitioners are present, comma. The Department of Craftsman Training is unrepresented. Name sure or not? For the para, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned by a week.
Lord, on 22nd, your lord. Can be disposed of, your lord. They have filed their
Not
affidavit.
22nd. Okay, that you're saying covered. Okay, 22nd.
Lord.
No, not 22nd. 24 matter. No, sorry. We've got on the 30th, 30. 30.
30th, your lordship, I will not be available.
For 2nd of September.
Lord.
2nd September.
Deeply obliged.
But I'm saying that this matter may come up any other day, man.
Here is still in my 2009, my that case morning.
Claim is genuine, delay is there, my lord, time, my lord.
2009 salaries. You're coming to the court now.
Yes, sir. So, my lord, kindly I may be allowed to do some research for whether. any-
Research?
Yes.
What research? Where is the scope to do research?
Yes, my lord, one judgment is there, my
One judgment. Regarding what?
delay part, my lord.
Judgment of which year? Which court?
My lord, Supreme Court, my lord, there is a dedicated.
Okay, we'll have this on Monday.
My lord.
But Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday we'll dismiss this. On the pair of three. Oh, no, don't. Area salaries of the year, of the period ending 2009 has been paid for in this petition filed after about 25 years. No, not 25 years. So how many years? 15 years. 15 years. Full stop. Para. On the prayer of three, A.M. Borbia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed on
My name is
Wednesday.
soon, madam.
Huh?
My name is soon, madam.
On Wednesday. Appearance to Koriju. Yes.
Obliged.
42.
In this case, your lordship, government has not filed their affidavit, your lordship.
24 matter, yes.
Recovery, your lordship.
Recovery of?
Recovery from pensionary benefits, your lordship, amounting to rupees 3 lakhs.
Already made.
Already made, your lord.
Yes, madam, your response.
Lordship, we have received instruction, Lordship.
Received.
Yes, Lordship. We'll be filing affidavit,
Okay.
Lord.
Ms. M. Bhattacharya, learned additional senior advocate, submits that instructions have been received and the affidavit would be filed shortly. Full stop. Para. List after 3 weeks.
Lord.
Obliged. Today is the second date, lordship. They have not filed yet any affidavit, lordship.
You're asking your minimum scale of pay as per Upendas.
Upendas, lordship.
Lordship, the finding is recorded in the issue order, Lordship, at page 52. Here it is said that the petitioner did not attend any work from 2014.
You file your affidavit. On the prayer of three, I, Thakur, London Standing Council, Forest Department. Matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition.
Apply.
Yes.
My please, your lordship, this is the returnable date, lordship, last occasion.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, petitioner is claiming special allowances, lordship.
Compassionate pension?
Lordship. They have
Yes,
not
madam.
filed any affidavit.
Bhattacharya?
Lordship, we need further time, Lordship. No
Instruction.
instruction received.
Okay. On the prayer of Ms. M. Bhattacharya, learned additional senior advocate Assam. Matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable her to obtain the instructions.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
45.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, there is the last order, lordship.
Affidavit filed?
No, your lordship, I have sent it for getting, I'm supposed to get it by day after tomorrow.
Okay. Sri G. Borderline London Standing Council, Corporation Department submits that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for waiting, SENT, for waiting, full stop. He prays for and is granted 10 days time to file the same.
Lordship, date may be given.
List on post-retirement benefits.
Post-retirement pension.
Cancel.
A list on 28/2/8.
Obliged.
28 তারিখ।
Forty-six and 47.
Wait, this is what. In this petition, the petitioner is lordship has challenged the impute transfer order. Basically on 3 grounds.
Yes.
He has been transferred in a span of 3 months. First, secondly, my lord, his transfer
Why 2 writ petitions?
in my place, he has been transferred. He has challenged the transfer order.
Okay, okay. Affidavits have been filed.
My lord,
We have stated filed here.
Okay.
Regional also filed.
We can, I think, dispose this off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
My lord,
You are in 3050.
3050, my lord.
What is the name of your client?
There is another petition which can be taken up together. Item number 53 here.
Today?
Same.
Okay, 53. 53.
53, my lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 5. I filed for total number 2. And my lord, on 24th of.
Will you like to file any affidavit?
Yes.
Connected transfer.
Same order.
Same transfer order.
Then you file your affidavit within a short time. We'll have all the 3 together.
Yes.
Okay.
Next week.
Okay.
2 weeks time.
This item numbers 46, 47 and 54 will 53. All these 3 writ petitions pertain to a common order of transfer. Full stop. While affidavits have been exchanged in WPC 3050 2024 and 3023 of 2024, the private respondent in WPC 3045 of 2024 has prayed for some time to file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Para. List when? We fix a date, in the meantime you file the affidavit. List on? Today is? Today's 14, 2 weeks. List on
Maybe 28.
on 29th or 30th, wherever. 30 for completion of exchange of further pleadings. Tinta hi bol.
Lord, I've received a copy, signed copy of affidavit today, my lord. Kindly take it.
You file it by tomorrow? Tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow,
Yes,
okay.
my lord.
Ah. Miss A. Gayan, Leonard Council, Leonard CGC
Yes, for that.
submits that the affidavit in opposition would be filed within a couple of days.
Yes.
Full stop. Let such affidavit be filed and the matter be listed along with the affidavit on Wednesday next date.
My lord, next week I'll out of the
Okay, tell us.
after next
Tell us a date
my lord,
on
any date after
on
my lord,
28, on
Yes,
28, 2/8.
Yes.
Okay.
after-
But in this case, as per Lozima Court order dated 8th August, services complete upon respondent number 5. It is gratitude, gratitude, yes.
Peruse the order dated 8/8/2024 passed by the learned Lozima Court. Full stop. Service upon the respond number 5 is accepted to be complete. Yes, what is the matter?
Doctor, it pertains to pensionary benefits for the petitioner's husband, your lord. Not in not exactly, my lord. Pension has been released, CPF released, leave encashment has been released, and family pension has been released. Only the GIS, gratuity, and salary of 28 days is due.
Mr. Dhar?
My lord, I have received the inspection method.
Yes.
It says that, my lord, this gratuity, my lord, and leave encashment of the 28 days, my lord, in GIS. That has to, my lord, AG has to, my lord, start it, not us.
AG?
Mountain General, let them take an inspection method. Why it's held up? Otherwise, well, I can file an affidavit. The other part has they have received my pension to pay.
Yes, you get some instructions from AG.
Actually, it has to the 8th of May.
On the prayer made by Ms. Emborman, learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri SK Medhi, SK Medhi learned standing counsel AG Assam. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable seeking of instructions with regard to the aspect of release of the
GIS, leave encashment of 28 days.
GIS, leave encashment of 28
and
days.
Salary, salary of 20.
GIS, pending salary, arrear salaries of 28 days and
gratuity.
gratuity. Full stop, para. List on. This is 15 matter. On 28, 28.
Otherwise, pension pay করতে হবে।
28, madam. Get the instructions.
As per Lojima Court's order dated 8/8/24, service upon Recruitment number 7.
Hmm. Which order? 22-5. Lozima code, which order?
8/8/24.
8-8.
Yes.
Seven complete.
Yes.
7 is complete. Perused the order dated 8/8/2024 passed by the learned Lozima Court. Full stop. Service upon the respondent number 7 is accepted to be complete. Yes, affidavits filed.
No, madam. No. Some time loss. Civic time may be granted.
Yeah, for
I'm appearing for Karbiang from account.
but these are all matters.
The last month may be given.
Your name?
R.S. Ronghang.
R.S. Ronghang. Sri R.S. Ronghang, learned counsel appearing for the KAAC. Praised for and is granted time for filing affidavit in opposition. Granted 3 weeks time for filing affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Since the matter is of the year 2016, comma, an endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next date. File it. Copy appearance, sir. Sharma Buru. State respondent. State.
Much.
51.
May it please your lordship. Look, this IO was filed in pursuance to order dated 3/6/2022 by this honorable court. Operative portion of that order, your lordship will find page 28 of the IA. Look, what happened, there was an additional affidavit filed by an officer, wherein paragraph 5 of the additional affidavit, contents of the paragraph 5 of the additional affidavit was found to be false and misleading. And pursuant to that, my lord, this honorable court directed for listing of this.
Under 340.
Yes.
340 of the CRPC.
Yes, my lord. Proceeding 340 of CRPC and 195.
False documents. Statement.
False state. And paragraph 5, your lordship will find the content at page 12.
Well, what is your reaction, Mr.
Let me file our response. We're yet to
File your response. But this is very serious.
We have filed a writ appeal also, that is fine. We have taken the matter.
Okay, against this order.
No, my lord, what happened, the honorable single judge, my lord, has disposed of allowed the repetition along with this observation. So against the thing.
This
they
is
have-
to go independently. This has to go
So
independently.
this has got no connection with the writ appeal pending.
Writ appeal is on the merits of the case, not on this observation.
This has to go independent.
This will go, you file your response. Heard Sri H.K. Das, Land Standing Council, Guwahati High Court. Full stop. Para. Sri B. Chakraborty, who has entered appearance for the
respondent.
Major Abhimanyu.
One.
For the sole respondent. Praised for and is granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. When did you enter appearance? Is it 22 matter?
Long back.
Long time back.
That IA has not been provided to people.
IA had come only on 2023. You have not been given the IA copy.
I copy. I'll furnish to you today itself.
কি করলো আগরখানে? Praise for 3 weeks time, huh? Sri Das, the Learned Standing Council would furnish a copy of the IA to Sri Chakraborty during the course of the day.
Yes, during the course of the highly.
Made result. I have filed this review petition, Lordship. Judgment starts from 26, but Lordship, page number 56. Page number currently 53, Lordship. Only one paragraph.
53.
53, Lordship. Page number 53, Lordship.
Yes.
Paragraph number 49, Lord. What has been noticed by this court in the present case is that, though admittedly, there is a change in the marking pattern from the office memorandum. 49.
Okay.
Merit. There is a change in the marking pattern from the office memorandum existing at the time of publication of the advertisement and the new office memorandum, which come into the operation at the time of the interview. This change is only reduction doing away with the mark to be given in the viva voce. Then, Lordship, this court finds force in submission made by the Department Council that such changes has been brought in to remove the scope of bias and nepotism and to make the selection process more transparent and fair. This court is of the view that apparent from the fact that no prejudice whatsoever would be suffered by the petitioner. Then, Lordship, against this judgment, Lordship, I have filed an appeal before division bench. Being satisfied, division bench asked department to file affidavit. Actually, what mark has been changed viva voce or not. They have filed affidavit, Lordship. Kindly see page number 68, 67. Directly scan 68, Lordship, page number 68.
68, okay.
68 and 69, Lordship.
Okay.
Academic record, Lordship. 68, page number 68.
Yes.
Lordship, academic records, I am in Bepari, Lordship. I am getting 41, 43 as per earlier office memorandum. And Konkon Taluka is getting 56.76. And research contribution experience, Lordship. I am Ruhul Bepari, I am getting 25. And he is getting 9. And therefore, my marks would be 66.43 and Konkon Taluka will be 65.7.
Yes.
Yes. After changing the rule of the game, Lordship, it has been altered, Lordship. What happened, Lordship? Academic record, Lordship, kindly 6. Ruhul Amin Bepari, I got 46.85, slightly changed. Konkon Taluka 64.39. Use drastic changes, Lordship. Ruhul Amin Bepari, Lordship, 18 in research contribution, and Konkon Taluka 405. Therefore, he got, Lordship, 68. Next page, Lordship, page number 70. Konkon Taluka got 68.44, and I got 64.85. If it has not been altered, then my mark would be top, Lordship. It has come to my knowledge that during this hearing, Lordship, I argued before the division bench. Then division bench found that your case has not been considered in this petition. Then, Lordship, I tried to explain by page number, Lordship, 33. Lordship, kindly say
33.
33. That my case was discussed by the single judge. Division bench says no. Page number 30.
36.
33.
33.
33.
33 is cost title.
33, Lordship.
Cost title.
Yes. Link cases, my WPC number so and so.
Yes.
But yes, Lordship, I have seen that, Lordship, in body, Lordship, my case was not discussed, and Lordship, other 12-11 case was there, Lordship. It starts from, Lordship, page 38, Lordship. Other petition has discussed, Lordship. Page number 38, Lordship. Lordship, kindly. Up to page 41, Lordship. My case is 5578.
But the council was the same.
No, the separate council, 11 council.
No, in 5578.
5578, Ruhul Amin Vepari.
5578, the same council as in 5576.
Separate college, separate building. College was separate. Lordship.
So issue is the same.
Issue was the
Issue is the
issue was
same.
says rule of the game was. Lordship kindly held the rule of the game cannot be changed, but prejudice point.
Oh.
Then division bench said that your prejudice was not considered because your case was not discussed. But 557 is another college, and this college you may be prejudiced. That facts that mark has not been brought into the record. Then I sought liberty and that Lordship by the page number 77, Lordship, this division bench. That I will place before the simple transfer.
Yes, who is for the other side?
K. Gogoi support. Yes,
K. Gogoi.
Yes, madam. Court number 1, my lord.
Okay, we'll have here in presence of Mr. Gogoi.
But otherwise, this petitioner will be prejudiced if it is changed, Lordship. Lordship has held that rule of the game cannot be changed. Only point was prejudice, and Lordship view was that Bhaivavasti. Their contention as they have changed only Bhaivavasti, but his way was not Bhaivavasti. All the marks has been changed. It has prepared.
There is, my lord, in page number 45, but that's
Already discussed, yes.
24. Paragraph 8.
Yes. 50. It is my favorite. The major sense between the OM dated
40?
45.
45, Lordship. Paragraph number 24.
Okay, we'll have it in presence of Mr. Gogoi.
Hello.
Third, Sri D. Mahanta, learned counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Applicant who by means of this application has sought for review of the judgment and order dated 9/3/2022, passed in a number of writ petitions, including WPC 5578 of 2020. Full stop. Para. On the prayer made by Ms. P.R. Mahanta, learned counsel, comma. No. Honorable Ms. P.R. Mahanta, learned counsel has however submitted that the department would be represented by Sri K. Gogoi, standing counsel, and she has prayed for some time. Full stop. Para. List after a week.
Any date?
This is a review, it will come before this court.
Lordship. At least review only one judgment, Lordship. It was but open division bench had asked Lordship. What about the other judgment? Other are not interested. Can you go for review? I'll get it. Abla.
কোনটো কোনটো আছিলে আহিছে নেকি বিচিনা আহিছে সেইটো কৰি বেলেগ কৰিম আৰু ৰিহাৰ্চেল আছে আমাৰ কালি প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ there is one Panchayat 59 huh? Other hearings may not be possible because of tomorrow's program. There is some rehearsal, we need to be there.
In this case, my lord, item 60, my lord, Lordship can fix any day next week, my lord.
He'll give dates.
Short date, my lord,
He'll
because
give dates.
Lordship has heard the matter already.
What is the matter?
Matter, my lord, I was not being given promotion, my lord. My junior have been given promotion.
Other side?
Other side, my lord, there, my lord. They said
Who?
they will file the affidavit.
Who?
Some Kotoki, my lord, cause list reveal. Department of Animal Care.
Madam Kotoki.
Yes, yes.
You filed the affidavit?
No, Lordship, affidavit is for vetting, Lordship.
Okay, you filed the affidavit.
I filed.
Item number?
Item number 60.
60. Ms. M.M. Kotoki, Learned Standing Counsel of the department, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and been sent for vetting. She prays for and is granted 10 days time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Date may be fixed.
List on
27, my lord, is convenient if your lordship, my lord. 27, 28, 29.
28. 28. Yes.
Yes, perfect.
Lordship, kindly taken the affidavit in operational, Lordship, filed by the Lordship here, page number 20, Lord.
Page
22, Lordship. There is the article, Lordship, where it has been made, Lord.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. So I'll take your time, Lordship. Fine. Article 1, Lord. May I read, Lord? The said number so and so, while functioning as Constable DD, has committed an offence of misconduct in his capacity as member of force under Section 11(1) of Therapy Act, dated so and so of Therapy Rule 955. He had visited the house of a civilian, namely so and so, on 21/3/2007 at about 20:30 hours in absence of any male members, without permission of any competent authority, with bad intention, while he was detained for guard duty on so and so, which resulted in lodging a complaint against above individual and police output so and so by the state civilian, and FIR was closed against him. And Article 2, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. May I read a relevant portion, Lordship?
Yes.
One. Below, Lordship. A written complaint was lodged by the state civilian against so and so, Jorat, in the state official forcibly entered in his house on so and so, attempt to rape his wife, namely so and so. Accordingly, effort was closed in so and so, Lordship. Now, Lordship, time to come to page number 23, Lord. Let us, yes, sir, attempt to rape.
Yes.
Yes. Basically, I am to come to for Lordship, proportionate of punishment, Lord. Let us time come to Lordship. It is already in the.
We have read the facts.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
You show us decisions on
Yes, Lord.
proportionality.
Yes, Lord. Yes. Now, Lordship, I have a judgment of Honorable Appellate for Lordship. It is So here, effect could mostly discussed that when the misconduct is proved, Lordship,
Yes.
then the possibility of giving benefit to the delinquent is not granted, Lordship. For the relevant paragraph, Lordship, I may read, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? That is,
Which-
that is, Lordship.
Which one?
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Lordship, criminal appeal 219 of 2023, Lordship. 219 of 2023.
219 criminal. Which,
Yes.
which of the decision?
Lordship.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Lord. Sunil Kumar, Lord. Counsel.
Yes.
Yes, Lord. Lordship, may I take to page number, paragraph number 6, Lordship? Paragraph number 6. May I, Lordship?
Yes.
May I read, Lordship? Paragraph number 6, Lord. At the outset, it is required to be noted that the disciplinary authority imposed the penalty of dismissal after holding a departmental inquiry and after following due procedure as required under Rule 27 of CRPF rules and having held the charges and misconduct proved, Lordship. Proved. The charges and misconduct held to be proved against the respondent who was serving in CRPF. But in my case, Lordship, from the very inception, Lordship, that though an affair has been lost against me, though Lordship is presumed that I have left the on duty Lordship and approached the so I've committed a conduct, Lord. But when a penalty comes for the Lordship enhancement, Lordship, the it has been considered I have done a serious offense with regard to the commitment of rape, Lordship, attempt of rape. But Lordship, what happened? That victim already in the very inception of the disciplinary proceeding, she said that nothing has been happened to me. Only her husband, under intoxication, he has made an affair against me, Lord. Yes, Lordship. Yes, I have committed a misconduct that I have left the on duty, Lord, job, Lordship. But Lordship, to that extent, a false allegation, Lordship. How can I be a Lordship termed as that is already in the is proof that nothing has been done on my part to the victim, Lord. That is my point, Lordship. And Lordship, my time, Lordship.
Mr. Sinha, we are not on the facts. We have seen the facts.
Yes, Lordship.
Show us how proportionality is to be dealt with. What are the case laws?
Yes, Lordship. This is in Lordship.
This goes against you.
Yes, Lordship. But I'm submitting only on that, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Both the cases against me, Lord.
So
But,
where you
but-
are supposed to place case laws on proportionality. Here it has been held that punishment of dismissal cannot be said to be strikingly disproportionate.
But Lordship,
226
here,
powers are very rarely to be exercised.
Yes, Lord, but I want to place before Lordship, the charges is not against, proof against me, Lordship. Article 2, Lordship.
Why is not proved against you? It's not a question of the attempted rape that we can infer from the statement of the alleged victim, but her statement that you did not do anything of that sort proves the charge number 1, that you had left the duty hours. You had left when you were in duty.
Yes, Lord.
That is proved.
Yes, Lord.
Because you have not said that I have never gone there. That is not your case.
Yes, Lord.
If had it been because no, I had never gone there, never such an incident happened, I was all along in the barrack or in my duty. Here, the rape part is attempted rape is not proved, but you're going to a civilian's place while on duty, that is there.
Yes.
And therefore you are not been, the penalty is not dismissal or removal. You are still in service, reduction.
Yes, Lord.
Now, even reduction, if you say that it is very harsh, you have to show us what is the law.
Yes.
Even this is against you. Interference has been made in the quantum of punishment which may not apply to a member of a disciplined force. The judgment you have not given, the whole last pages you have not given. The interference with the High Court substitute punishment is unsustainable. Both the cases are against you.
Yes, Lordship. But I want to throw your attention, Lordship, that yes, Lordship, kindly come to the enhancement order, Lordship. There is page number 12, Lordship. Filed by affidavit of
Yes.
Yes, here emphasis, Lordship, Article 1, again I'm reading out the same paragraph, Lordship. In absence of any male member without the permission of any competent authority with bad intention while he was detailed for guard duty at so-and-so, which